Nose blackheads full extraction before-after transformation. Every transformation starts the same way, with buildup hidden inside the pores. At first, it's only a few blackheads, but over time, congestion spreads across the nose, changing the texture of the skin completely. Today's treatment features a nose blackheads full extraction, with a complete before and after transformation, from heavy congestion to a fully clean surface. The before stage. Before extraction, the pores appear enlarged and congested. Years of trapped oil, debris, and dead skin cells create visible buildup throughout the nose area. The texture looks uneven, and the pores appear darker and more noticeable. Why congestion spreads across the nose? The nose produces more oil than most areas of the face. As oil continues to collect inside the pores, blackheads begin forming across the entire surface. Without deep cleaning, the congestion gradually becomes more compact. Step 1. Full surface cleansing. We begin by cleansing the entire nose area to remove surface oil and prepare the skin. Step 2. Steam pore preparation. Warm steam softens hardened buildup inside the pores. This helps prepare the skin for a full extraction process. Step 3. Full extraction begins. The first extractions begin slowly. As pressure is applied, blackheads release from multiple areas of the nose. Some pores clear quickly, others reveal deeper congestion. Step 4. Deep congestion removal. As the treatment continues, larger sections of buildup are removed. The skin gradually transforms as pore after pore is cleared. Step 5. Visible skin refinement. Once the congestion is removed, the skin texture appears noticeably smoother. The pores look cleaner, smaller, less congested. Step 6. Recovery soothing treatment. A calming treatment is applied to reduce redness and support recovery after extraction. Before-after transformation. Before, heavy congestion and visible blackheads. After, clean pores and smoother-looking skin. A complete nose blackheads full extraction transformation. Final message: real skin transformations don't happen on the surface. They begin deep inside the pores. If you enjoyed this full extraction before and after transformation, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more satisfying skincare videos.